how do you choose the right bacterial strain for your GI tract? Well, first of all, you have to choose a lactobacilli. Usually, I prefer Lactobacillus acidophilus because it's been around in the literature for 60 years and it's something I introduced. I haven't found a better species of lactobacilli to my liking. And this acidophilus is really the most important microorganisms for your small intestinal health. And the reason it likes to live there because that environment in the small intestine is what makes it thrive. And the objective of all bacteria is to thrive. So, of course, the Lactobacillus acidophilus is going to thrive in your small intestine. It's going to assist with good immune health. It's going to assist with better digestion and absorption. And it's basically the foundational microorganism that's been around in the health food industry for over 60 years. Then we talk about your large intestine, which is your colon. And I call that the waste and disposal system. So you have to choose a bacteria that thrives in that environment that has no oxygen. So what is the bacteria most prevalent in healthy people? It's called Bifidobacteria. And I have chosen a strain called Bifidobacteria bifidum for the large intestine because of my pioneering work with very prominent German scientists in the 1980s. So that Bifidobacteria is so prolific in healthy individuals in the large intestine, it's only second in number to the other indigenous bacteria. So the more Bifidobacteria you have in your large intestine, it keeps your waste moving forward. It protects your liver by not allowing toxins to be reabsorbed in the large intestine, so it doesn't stress your liver. So it has a very important function to finalize the digestive process and to eliminate the waste efficiently out of your body. Now, the third bacteria that I've chosen is bacteria by the name of Lactobacillus bulgaricus. It's one of the founding bacteria in Bulgarian yogurt, and that's why it's called Lactobacillus bulgaricus. It was identified by the very famous turn of the 20th century researcher, Dr. Ilya Mechnikov, who attributed the longevity and good health of the Bulgarians to their yogurt consumption. And this is the bacteria found in yogurt, which is called Lactobacillus bulgaricus. Now, I like this microorganism because I call it a crowd-controlled microorganisms. The food, as it's being digested, travels along the 27 feet of your small and large intestine. And as it's traveling, it's also digesting your food and it's having to deal with a lot of bacteria that are in the food. So this bacteria helps to facilitate better digestion, better immune function, and keeps going along with the food as it's going on its way down into the large intestine to be eliminated. Virtually 40% of your dry weight fecal matter is bacteria. So now I've given you the concept of which 3 bacteria are necessary to complete that digestive process.